All right, guys, Airbnb travel hack, okay? I got this from some of my mastermind communities that I'm involved with. And a lot of this stuff I get from my mastermind communities, believe it or not. I'm connected with a lot of people. I'm out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Shout outs to Vegas. Anybody in Vegas, put it in the comment. Love to get to know you and build a community here local. But Airbnb travel hack, okay? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to utilize the card that gives you the most points when you're doing this. Everybody's got different cards out there. There's different welcome points. I know Amex right now had like 10x on grocery store purchases, okay? So something like this would work really well. But the whole thing that we're going to do here is we're going to find a place that you want to travel to. You want to go to Orlando, you want to go to Seattle, you want to go to Hawaii, whatever. Comment below where you want to travel to as well. I would love to see where all of you guys' dream destinations are. So let's just go ahead and comment our dream destination and let's plan out this Airbnb hack for your dream destination. So you want to go to your dream destination. So you're starting to look online on Airbnb.com and you find a property that you want to go with. What you're going to do is you want to find a stay that is 5 days or longer, so you get a discounted rate, okay? And then before you book the Airbnb, you want to find the location, you want to find the property, and you may want to find a couple of them. And you want to message the owner of the property. Sorry about my cat, he's trying to go to Cabo San Lucas. But you want to message the owner of the property and say, hey, listen, I'm really interested in staying at your place. I'm going back and forth between a couple properties. Could you give me a cheaper rate? This may close the deal, and I'll order ASAP. Okay? Sometimes they'll give you a cheaper rate. Why does this matter? Because number one, hack one is if they can give you a cheaper rate, there's also going to be a cheaper rate when you stay 5 to 7 days instead of like 1, 2, 3, or 4, right? So you're going to get a first discount from them giving you a manual discount on the property. And then when you stay 5 days or longer, as of the recording of this video, you're going to get another discount for doing a weekly stay, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to your local grocery store. You're not going to go to Target. You're not going to go to Walmart. You can go to your local grocery store, whether that's a Kroger, wherever that's at. You're going to go there, and you're going to go with the credit card that gives you the most points at grocery stores, okay? That could be a lot of different cards out there. I'm not going to take the time to go through that. You got to do the research on that. But find the card that you have in your possession right now that will give you the most points back or the most cash back at grocery stores. And you're going to go and you're going to purchase an Airbnb gift card, okay? So number one, you're going to message the owner of the property to get a cheaper rate. Hack one. Hack two, you're going to figure out what that is, and then on the 5 to 7 day weekly rate, you're going to get a discount there. So you're going to get 2 discounts there. When you go to the grocery store to get that gift card, you're going to get cash back, or you're going to get travel points for purchasing that gift card at the grocery store, okay? You got to make sure it's at a grocery store, not a Walmart, not a Target. That won't count. It won't code right with the credit card, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to purchase that gift card with whatever your best credit card is, and get some milk too. So these credit card companies get really weird when you're purchasing gift cards and all types of stuff. So just purchase whatever you got to purchase there while you get the gift card. Now, here's the major credit hack here's the major secret that I wanted to leave you guys with, since you guys watched to the end of the video. When you stay 30 days or longer, you get a better rate than a weekly rate. So if you want to do some serious travel and do some expat stuff, and you just want to travel around the world for the next year and just work from your laptop and build a great e-com business or whatever and stay at the best properties, you could do that really easy with this, okay? But basically, you're going to find out the property you want to stay at. You already found the weekly rate, but if you could stay a month, you're going to even stay cheaper. So you got the discount from the owner. You got the monthly discount. You get the points back from your credit card, and you can use those for travel exchange. I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos on travel stuff, and I'll make a whole playlist for you guys as well, because I know some of you guys want to travel, and you guys can be like, yo, the Radical Marketer, he did some stuff on travel. Let me check that out. But that's I mean, think about it. And then you're going to get a way better return on your investment if you went to, let's say, Thailand, or you went to somewhere in South America, or wherever the case is, Africa. I mean, when you travel international, you stay at a month rate, you get a discount from the owner, and then you do travel exchanges and stuff like that. You can almost travel for free. Pretty dang close to world-class travel for free. And that's what a lot of the people don't tell you about travel hacking is they rank up the rewards, and then they trade them. They trade the points into Hilton points, or to Marriott points, or to Delta points, or American Airlines. And then their hotels, they do status matches and all that. I'll actually probably create a whole bunch of playlists about all this stuff, and then down the road, if people want to actually have a course on it, I might develop a course and sell it dirt cheap so you guys can kind of like master this type of craft. Because if you're leveraging your credit for travel, these type of Airbnb hacks, knowing where to travel internationally, when to travel internationally, knowing how to approach people for discounts, things like that, it all adds up. And you can literally, I know people right now that watch this channel and they go to a different country every single month. Obviously with COVID, no, but there's still people that travel the world and live in a different place every single month of the year and make a full-time living from their laptop, leveraging credit and living dirt cheap and not paying $1,500 to $2,000 a month on rent. Maybe pay $300, live in a great place on the ocean, whatever the case is, and enjoy their freedom. So you can literally create the life that you want to live, and credit cards really help that. I know people will say that's crazy talk, but this is different talk. And if you watch my videos, you'll see leverage other people's money. If I can pay with a credit card $1 versus $1 on a debit card, that credit card goes a lot further because I just got a reward. I got fraud protection, purchase protection. It's not my money. I got to pay the bank. If it's fraud, it's on the bank, not on me. So you make so much more for your money using credit if you can leverage it properly. And then you have time frames where you can leverage the time window in between of when you have to pay it back and when you don't have to pay it back. And then when you know how you can move money around, it's a game changer. So I'm going off on a tangent. Like, comment, subscribe to the video. Let me know your dream location in the comments. I would love to know. Get me super jealous. Let me start booking this Airbnb using this Airbnb hack. But remember, contact the owner, look up the weekly rate, go get a gift card at the grocery store using the credit card of your choice. And then if you can travel longer than a week and you can do a monthly stay, if you can even go international on a monthly stay, you're going to be going dirt cheap. Okay? And then if you sign up with a credit card with a good bonus, you might even be able to fly for free there. Okay? So you're welcome. Radical Marketer just hooked you up on a free vacation. So you better smash that like button. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next video.